Hello, in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to set up a spreadsheet as a very basic way of recording some tasks. And we're going to use conditional formatting to move along to the current date. So in here, what I'm going to do is I am going to share my screen so that we have a blank worksheet. We are going to have a look at this. Now, first of all, I am going to put a cell here, which is going to be the date that you want to start the project or the quick project. So I'm going to just call it project start. Alt and enter will let you put a second line in the same cell. Is going to be a date that you can just enter. So I'm just going to put that in there. Now, underneath that, I am going to put equals that. So what I want that to do is pick that out. And we're just going to go across a few cells for now so that you can see the output. But I used to show the day and the date, not the whole year. So into here, and I'm going to do custom, and I'm going to do DDD space DD. So what that would do is it would give me like Monday 13. And if you okay that, that will be picking that out. So I'm going to now this time say that +1. So what it will do is it will actually increment the date every day. So when you pull it across, it will just add 1 to each date. What we want to do is we want to be able to put our tasks in. I'm going to have just 10 tasks for now. So there we go. I can drag down to task 10. So we'll look at how we can do conditional formatting to put in the tasks, but for now we're just concentrating on today's date. So I'm going to go into this cell, and today I want to highlight this, and then tomorrow I want it to highlight these until it gets to the end. So start with, and we're going to go to conditional formatting and new rule. The new rule is a formula, and I need to create my formula. And I need to use, and I need to put in today is greater or equals to, and it is here. So I can just type it or click on it, but I need to only fix this row. So here, which determines the date, but I only want the row fixed and not the column. Today, and it's less than the next one. Okay, so it's less than the next one. Again, move the fix. So I don't want anything apart from the $sign next to the 4. So $4, close brackets. So in a moment, so you can see it better. And I'm going to do format, border. I'm going to make it red, and I'm going to take either side and OK. And OK that as well. And you can see that that has applied to that particular cell. Let me just in here put a formula in for you to read it better. So that is the formula. So it's greater than that cell and less than that one. And then we're going to go back into our conditional formatting and we're going to manage the rules. And here it just applies to that cell. So I'm just going to take the range of cells here and OK, apply and OK. And you can see then it has highlighted that column. 10th of January. That is it is displaying. So when it gets to tomorrow, these red lines will appear down here and so on until we get to the end of our date range. Thank you for watching. See you next time.